Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an airbag light on a Hyundai Sonata. First, ensure your passenger airbag switch is correctly set, usually to on if someone is present. Next, carefully inspect all seatbelt buckles for any obstructions or damage that might prevent proper latching. Also, confirm no heavy items are on the passenger seat, as this can sometimes trigger the light. A simple method to try is resetting your car's computer. Safely disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This allows the system to clear temporary fault codes. After the waiting period, securely reconnect the terminal. Then, start your Sonata and check if the airbag warning light has turned off. This often resolves minor glitches. Sometimes, a blown fuse can cause the airbag light to illuminate. Consult your Hyundai Sonata's owner's manual to find the fuse box diagram and identify the specific fuse for the airbag system. Carefully inspect this fuse for any breaks in the wire. If it's blown, replace it with a new fuse of the exact same amperage rating. If the light persists, an OBD2 scanner can read specific airbag fault codes, providing more insight. However, airbag systems are complex and critical safety components. For persistent or unknown issues, it is always best to consult a certified mechanic. They have the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and safely repair these vital systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.